Today I'm going to show you how to remove stickers from your windshield or any kind of glass on your car. Nice to get these off just to keep it clean, in my personal opinion, but in case you get by a car that has some ones on there or you just want to clean up your car, I'm going to show you how to do that. All you're going to need is one of these scrapers. What we're going to do is we're going to come on the inside and scrape a 45 to get this sticker off. Now you want to use a damp microfiber towel, not a paper towel, something that will be nice and gentle on that glass. Just get that all moistened up, all that glue, especially warm water. And give it another go. Now, just want to dry it all up with another microfiber towel. Make sure it's clean so you don't scratch any of the glass. And you put your hands on it real quick just to make sure there's no more sticky spots. If it's good, give it another wipe down. You can clean your glass too while you're at it. Mine definitely needs that. But just like that, that's how you remove some old stickers on your car. Any questions or comments, put them in the comment section below. Appreciate you watching. Subscribe if the video was helpful or if you learned something. And thanks for watching. See you in the next one.